This is Tim here from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on and off safe mode. So if you want to turn this on, go to the top right and go to the power option right here and just hold down on power, and this will unlock the safe mode option, and your phone's going to reboot into that safe mode now. Now how to turn this off, you can do this a couple different ways. If you look at your phone, on the side we have the option to hold down the power button and the volume down button at the same time, and this will force restart our phone. So a lot of times it's going to be the volume button that's closest to the power button. So on this phone it's the volume down button, but if it's below it here you're going to want to press the volume up. So you can just try that button combination out. So like on my Google Pixel phone right here, I'm going to hold down the power button and the volume up button. Now when it restarts into safe mode, it's going to say it down here at the bottom. On my Samsung phone, it will pop it up and it will say turn off safe mode, so you can see safe mode. So look for the notifications, just swipe down from the top left, and that notification will pop up for you, and you should be able to turn off safe mode from there. So at the beginning, when you just turn this on, you can see there's no notification, and then I just heard that notification sound, and it says safe mode right here. We can tap to unlock, and then we can just turn off safe mode right there. So I do have this little accessibility option down here, which is, I don't think it works in safe mode, but you can try to find a way to restart your phone without using your buttons. So in the accessibility options, there is a method to do this, but it doesn't work in safe mode. So we can go to settings right here and scroll on down, and we can go to accessibilities and just see if this works on your phone. So let's go to accessibilities now, interaction and dexterity, and then turn on the assist menu right here. And there should be an option in here to turn this off. So it doesn't work for me here, but you might have an option in there where you can bring out on-screen controls that gives you options to power off your phone. So you can see it's down here, it doesn't work. Then we can go to the top right and we have the power button, and we can just restart our phone right here as well. Now another thing that you can do is just go on down to where it says About Phone. Tap this and we go to reset, and we can back up all our data right here to the cloud storage on our Samsung phone. So if you go in here, you can back up your phone. If you really can't get out of safe mode, you're going to have to factory reset your phone, but you have unlimited cloud storage. Otherwise, I have external backup. If you want to put everything to an SD card or one of these USB devices, you can plug that in, and then once you have it backed up, you can just go to the restore option right below it. And then we do have the option to factory data reset it right here, and this will wipe everything off your phone and make it run like new. So look at those three different options. Look in the top left for safe mode, go to power button, and we can go to restart right here, and then force to restart it with these buttons if everything else doesn't work. Look through the accessibility options to see if there's an option to bring up on-screen controls where you can restart your phone. And then last option would probably be to factory reset it. So hopefully something helped you. Hopefully this video did.